So guys, today I wanted to show you this because I did some updates to my closet. I'm going to start up here. I put my sun hat here because I've been using it a lot lately. And then in this fabric bin that I've had for a long time, I just keep all my extra like winter stuff, hats, gloves, all my other hats that I'm not wearing at the moment in here. Then I move my drawers over here because we don't use this door really at all, so it's okay if we block it because we have our door from our bathroom to get in here. And if you recognize this from my other video, I decided to put this up here so I can keep like my glasses and other stuff that I need. I pretty much kept my drawers the same. I have swimsuits and underwear in here, pajamas and jeans. Then I have my tank tops, my leggings, and my shorts. Then my closet area, I did get rid of a bunch of stuff that I no longer wear or stuff that I had that I never even wore. And then I moved my shoe bin over here.